In tonight's Health Watch, there is a warning about whooping cough tonight. According to the CDC, weekly reported cases are the highest levels seen in years. There were 259 cases of whooping cough reported nationally during the first week of August. That's up from 215 at the end of June. New York has the second highest total number of cases year to date with more than 1,200, and Connecticut has more than 50, New Jersey more than 100.
Since February to July, we've been having at least one case per week testing. Why do I see it? I think it sometimes goes untreated, undiagnosed for a while. The urgent cares don't really bother to check them.
Whooping cough is treated with antibiotics, and doctors say it can be prevented with a vaccine.